Okay, let's talk about the first concept that we have based on, and this is a concept which we've seen repeatedly in any effort to change behavior, and this is what we're trying to do. The patient goes through a cycle and he returns on the cycle. This is very important. It is a cycle that goes round and round and round. We try to change the nature of the cycle, but we're never going to really stop it. First of all, the patient understands what you're saying. Then he accepts it and learns it. It becomes part of his credo. He starts to apply it, but the application is something foreign to him. Then it becomes part of his routine, and then comes the sad part. He will inevitably stop. Now, the most important part in the cycle is to draw him back into it so he goes through all the stages again. Each time he goes through the cycle, he will stay in the final stage before stopping longer, and it will take him shorter time to get to that stage. He will become less alarmed by stopping. He will not feel himself a failure. You have to prepare him for this. Accept it, link him to email, and pull him back all the time. This is a very, very basic point that we're making. We are pointing at compliance and expectations, and we feel that this is probably one of the most important things we're doing. Accepting he's going to go away and trying to make it easier for him to come back. Let's go on a bit further now.